So we are currently at that time of the year where everyone is trying to draw out their vision board, carrying out their notepad to write out their New Year resolutions. Things like, I'm going to make my first $1 million this year. I'm going to start up that business this year. I'm going to hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube this year. Or I want to take my fitness journey seriously this year by hitting the gym regularly. I want to stay consistent on YouTube this year, or maybe this year I want to start my YouTube channel. You have been writing down the same thing on that notepad every single year. You have been telling yourself the same thing every single year. How many have you achieved? None. To be very honest, it's easier said than done, and it's very easy to write down these things down every year. Writing New Year resolution is not a bad idea. It's something really nice. It acts as a guideline and gives you direction on how you want your year to go. But let me tell you the truth. Only 9% of these people that are writing New Year resolutions will actually succeed. Before you give me that side eye and start talking, just calm down. I said that so that you can understand the severity of this matter. There is a big problem. There is a very big problem for your time. Thousands of multi-billionaire enterprises have waged war against your time, and they are not going to stop until they get it. They will not stop until every single second of your time is being spent on their platform. All the unnecessary updates are just for one thing. They're just trying to get your attention. It's no coincidence, and it's definitely not random. Everything has been planned. They know already that you have very little amount of focus and attention. You definitely can't focus on everything at the same time. It's not possible. In fact, the recent research that has been published on the Science magazine shows that we spend over 46.9% of our days with our minds streaming away from tasks that we should be doing. Do you know what that means? That is almost half of your day gone. Gone to where exactly? Simply because you can't focus. Have you ever picked up your phone and say, okay, let me just go through something very quickly on Instagram? And before you know it, you've spent hours there, just scrolling, 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 and scrolling. It's not as if you are learning anything there or gaining anything informative from there. You are just whiling and wasting your time. This is what these people want. They know that you can't give focus to so many things at the same time. When your mind is already locked on your screen, that time is gone and wasted, and time never comes back. That is how they control you. Today, an average person spends over 30% of their day staring at their screen. That means the average person spends over 4 hours on their screen. Now let's put this into perspective. In just few years, your phone has gone beyond stealing 12% of your entire day in 2019 to over 70% a day. If you do not want to disappoint yourself, your family, your partner, year after year, you have to change. It's time to change. Change yourself. Give it time. Nurture it. Your goals are yours. Nobody can achieve them for you. Give it time to grow. Now go back. Go back to that vision board. Go back to your notepad and re-strategize and watch yourself grow. My name is Debbie Francis. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.